Hey guys, Richard Diary for the School of Nomads. So I wanted to make a kind of rough and ready video here, right? So I've just come off a call where we're discussing Facebook ads and landing pages for Facebook ads. And I was trying to figure out a way to get an existing landing page and put it on Thrive Architect, my theme builder, right? This is what I use to build on my pages or my squeeze pages. And it's a very, very good page builder. So I wanted to show you this quickly. So if you use Thrive Architect or you want to use Thrive Architect, this would be a really good video for you because it will show you exactly how to do this, and I'll also connect it to my Autoresponder and show you how to do that at the same time. So very rough and ready. I'm going to do it as I go along. I haven't done this yet, but I want to make sure that I make it easy for you as well. So the first thing I need to do is this is Taking Action Online, which is a membership site I'm a member of, and there's a template here that Phil has already designed for us. So I'm going to download that template. And you'll see it's downloaded onto my desktop here as a zip file. And then I want to go over to my website. Now my website is the School of Nomads. And here's all the pages I've got at the moment. And what I want to do is just add a new page. And this is for something called the 12-step program. And it's an affiliate program, and it tells you exactly how to start affiliate marketing and the steps to go through. So if I go and just add that. As a page, and I'm going to launch Thrive Architect. Now those that haven't got this comes as a plugin, and all you do is plug it into your WordPress site, right? So relatively inexpensive for the quality of tool that you're actually getting here. So it's going to load up just a generic template for me. So there's a generic template, and all I need to do, if I wanted to use one of the existing templates in here, I'd use change templates, and I'd go ahead and I'd look at all of these. I don't want to do that. I've already got one, right? Because I showed you me downloaded it. So go ahead and hit this gear icon and hit the import landing page. It'll give you a warning, just say OK, and then just upload this and drop it into your media file. Now these are a bunch of other landing pages I've already done. If you press import, and there you go, there's the landing page. That took around 30 seconds. There's the landing page. I'm not really going to do anything on that because this is exactly how I want it to look. Get unstuck with this free 12-step action plan for affiliate marketing, 2 clicks away. I'll actually leave a link to this below if you want to check this out. But anyway, what I want to do next is connect my Autoresponder. So if I come down here and where it says email, and I come over, I want this to be connecting to my Autoresponder. Now my Autoresponder is Get Response. So if I hit the icon on Get Response, the edit, I get this. So I got Get Response here. Then I want to choose a mailing list. Now at the moment I haven't got a list created, so if I just jump over to Get Response and hit lists, I'm going to go ahead and create a list. I blurred the others out because there's a lot of details on there. There you go, 12-step Facebook ad. It likes underscores between each of the words. That's what I'm doing wrong. There you go, that should work. So okay, there's my list, 12-step Facebook ad. If I go back to the page itself and I'll refresh this. Okay, so jump back over to the page. There's my Get Response again. Again, if you don't see this, just hit this icon here. The first thing you'd have to do is refresh the lists here on the right-hand side with this little arrow, and then just come down and then pick the list you want, and then that'll be attached to this email so that anybody that opts into this page will just go straight onto that list. Okay, so once you've added your list, all you would need to do then is press apply, and then you come down and you can add redirect to custom URL, and whatever URL you were targeting, you would do it there. And that's how that would work. So if I just go ahead and save this now, save it and preview it, that's what the landing page will look like. I'd come back to my page itself, then I want to come down, I'll just publish that page. And if I come up and view it, this is what the page looks like. If I actually put my name in it, then you should see when I go back to my email responder and refresh that. So there I am. That's me just opted in. Okay, so there it is. That was the whole system. All I did was got a landing page that was already built for me, added it to the system, added my autoresponder, and then showed you it was all working. Hopefully that was useful to you. If it was, hit the subscribe and the bell. I release videos like this all the time. I do product reviews. I do make money online tips. Any questions, please leave them below. And if you found this useful, go ahead and hit that like. Until next time, take care.